Every year, one document quietly decides the future direction of India's economy. The Union Budget. In Budget 2026, the government has clearly sent a message. Growth with stability, jobs with technology, and infrastructure with reform. In this video, we will break down the most important announcements, new and existing government schemes, and most importantly, what Budget 2026 really means for common people, youth, and India's future. So let's begin. The overall theme of Budget 2026 is economic consolidation with long-term growth. The government has focused on four major pillars: infrastructure and connectivity, manufacturing and jobs, technology, AI and clean energy, simplification of governance and compliance. The fiscal deficit has been kept under control, signaling that India is balancing welfare with fiscal discipline, something global investors closely watch. Key economic highlights. One of the biggest takeaways from Budget 2026 is record capital expenditure. Infrastructure spending has been significantly increased. Roads, railways, logistics, ports, and urban transport are clear priorities. Why is this important? Because infrastructure spending has a multiplier effect. It creates jobs, boosts demand, strengthens private investment, and accelerates GDP growth. This budget clearly follows the philosophy: build first, reap later. Tax and compliance announcements. For individual taxpayers, Budget 2026 is more about simplicity than big tax cuts. No major change in income tax slabs. But the government has promised simplified tax filing, fewer compliances, and faster refunds. Deadline for filing revised income tax returns has been extended, a relief for honest taxpayers. Special tax relief measures have been announced for certain categories of NRIs and professionals, aiming to attract global talent back to India. The message is clear: less harassment, more trust-based taxation. Infrastructure and connectivity push. Budget 2026 places massive emphasis on transport connectivity. New high-speed rail corridors have been announced to connect major economic and cultural regions. Railways continue to receive strong financial support for modernization and safety. Logistics efficiency is being improved to reduce business costs. This is not just about trains and tracks. This is about integrating markets, reducing regional inequality, and accelerating growth. For regions like Eastern India and the Gangetic Belt, this is particularly significant. Manufacturing, MSMEs, and job creation. Another core focus of Budget 2026 is manufacturing and employment. The government has strengthened support for MSMEs, calling them the backbone of India's economy. A dedicated SME growth fund has been announced to improve access to credit. Simplified compliance norms for small businesses aim to reduce the fear of inspectors. Additionally, India's push for self-reliance continues with renewed focus on electronics, semiconductors, critical minerals, and strategic manufacturing. This budget reinforces India's ambition to become a global manufacturing hub, not just a consumer market. One of the most forward-looking aspects of Budget 2026 is its focus on technology and innovation. New initiatives promoting artificial intelligence in agriculture and governance have been announced. Investments in semiconductors and deep tech signal India's desire to reduce dependence on imports. Support has been extended to AVGC sectors, animation, gaming, and digital content. This is crucial for the youth, as future jobs will increasingly come from these sectors. Agriculture, rural and social schemes. Agriculture remains central to the budget. Technology-driven solutions for farmers are being promoted. Digital platforms and AI-based advisory tools aim to increase productivity and income. Rural employment and skilling programs have been strengthened. Rather than announcing flashy new schemes, Budget 2026 focuses on improving delivery and efficiency of existing ones. This indicates a shift from quantity of schemes to quality of governance. What does Budget 2026 mean for you? So, what does this budget mean for the common citizen? Better infrastructure, better jobs and growth. Easier taxes, less compliance stress. Strong MSMEs, more employment. Technology focus, future-ready youth. Fiscal discipline, economic stability. Budget 2026 is not a populist budget. It is a strategic, long-term budget aimed at preparing India for the next decade. In conclusion, Budget 2026 tells us one thing very clearly. India is betting on infrastructure, innovation, and institutional reform rather than short-term freebies. Whether this vision succeeds will depend not just on announcements, but on implementation.